Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result for 1 year post out with before and after photo of Dr. Diep. And this is 100% FUE, and this is a FUE follow-up with hairline restoration. And in reality, this client had 2 procedures with the machine, and the result was not very poor density, and the hairline was not natural at all. And this is just with 1 surgery done by me, and and we did 1,373 grafts, and you can see how natural the hairline is. We give them a medium tight hairline with a very tight. Now we don't give super tight; it's just medium tight, and then so it gives more density, but it doesn't draw much attention. The soft hairline has a really big zigzag, and yeah, it looks natural, but it doesn't look dense, and that's not very popular. The super tight is where the celebrity wants. Unfortunately, the super tight hairline draw a lot of attention. Now, celebrity want, walk on red carpet. When they tell me walk on red carpet, they want to draw attention to the hairline. Look at me, I'm young, my hairline is beautiful. But ordinary people like us, a lot of people say, hey, we don't want to draw attention to us, but I want to push the envelope for density. So that's why they go medium hairline. And medium hairline will give you density, but without draw attention. The medium tight is push the envelope more for density, and yet not draw much attention. So the zigzag is a little bit smaller than the medium hairline. So this is the this client had 2 procedures before, and he spent quite a bit of money. At the beginning, he told me, yeah, the price looks cheap because it's overall. But then in the end, when you add up 2 procedures and with no density, and the hairline is not great, and then it cost him a lot more in the long run. And so this is where he was before, and this is a year later. You see how nice the hairline is. Look at that before, and I clean up his hairline. It's nice and clean, and then look at that with 2 procedures. Again, this FUE, when you're done by me, I'm the one who's sitting there personally pulling 1 hair graft at a time. Okay, given that no hair transplant result perfect, the result vary from one individual to another, and some might need more than 1 surgery, but you see how nice and natural the hairline that I created. Again, Caucasian tend to have very soft hairline, very soft hair, fine hair. So with that, you just want a dense pack and time to get more medium tight hairline to give more appearance of density. This is with a past procedure with poor density, and so I lower around 1.5 inches and recreate his hairline, and you see how nice his hairline is. And look at that, lower 1 inch. You see how nice, soft. And again, with hair transplant, you can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye it, you can do anything with it. And you see how nice zigzag his hairline is. There's a whole artistry of creating hairline, and that's what separate my work from other places. It's not just the density. The density is from the surgical skill. You harvest it 1 healthy graft at a time, and the more healthy the graft, the more density you get. But the artistry is the one that gives you how natural the hairline is. So I'm gonna comb through his hair so the audience can see. I mean, this is a very handsome guy. He won't allow me to show full face, but I'm just happy for him to allow me to show portion of his hair, at least his hair and his hairline, and you comb through it. And there's no kabuki or no topic to increase the density. This is all his natural hair. Okay, turn around this way for me. You can see, again, you see how natural his hair is. This is 100%. Again, Caucasian tend to have more medium fine hairline. That means the more fine the hairline, the less dense it will look. However, if you strategically transplant the hair in a way where with full healthy root, it tends to give you the better density, and then the type of zigzag of hairline too. And of course, the thicker the hair, the more density it will look. And when you walk in, and for him, if he's sitting in front of people, no one will know he have had any surgery done, because this looks very natural. There's no detectability, there's no really no plugs in the front for people to tell. And if you can look down for me, all the way down. Perfect. Go ahead, look up for me. And that is hair right now. And the greatest compliment for me was that he mentioned that he is so happy to be on the video for the before and after, because when he had 2 procedures and it felt quite bad because the poor density, and he see my work, and a lot of people have very good density and it's natural, and at first he thought it was not real, but why can he have this result? And so once we did the surgery, now he's on the other side, and it completely transformed his look, but not just his look, but his self-esteem, how he carried himself. Once he walked back to my clinic, I can tell he's a different person. He's more handsome, but he feels much happier, and with the most natural hairline, with the density that he has. And again, this is the before and after with the FUE 1373 graft done by me and Dr. Diep. Thank you.